Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and on this Hyundai Sonata we're going to go over how you would remove this glass from the door. Now to start with, this is 6 inches from the weather stripping to the top of the glass, so anywhere between 5.5 to 6.5 you should be able to have access to the bolts that hold on the glass. So we have that raised up there. If you didn't have it raised up and you can still grip your glass, you can just remove these 3 bolts, which is the regulator motor, and then when that's once you remove those bolts, then you can just pull the regulator motor off and then you can move the glass up. But we happen to have that set there, so that's not necessary at the moment. Otherwise, so then we pop these covers, we got these bolts in there that we just need to loosen up. We don't need to remove them completely because they just clamp around the glass. So we have these 2 rubber covers that cover here, and they're a size 10 bolt inside there, and we'll just loosen them. Decently loose, but we don't, like I said, we don't need to remove them completely. Okay, so they're loosened up, and now with them loose, you'll be able to grab the glass here and be able to just pull it up and then bring it at an angle with the window on the outside of the door, and you'll be able to pull the glass out. And so that's how you remove the glass out of the door on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.